Hello. Today in this video I will show you how to download and install PDF24 software. So let's begin. First you open Chrome and type PDF24 download and search. Then go to the official website. Then click the download button. There you can see two options for your personal use and company computer use. So I choose personal use. Then you will see it is downloading. I will cancel the download because I have already downloaded. Then go to download folder. Then double-click on it. And it will ask for admin permission, so you will give yes. And follow my steps. I speed up the process. You will see that it works perfectly. I will explain all these tools in another video, so stay tuned.
Oh my God! Wow!
I will explain all these tools in another video, so stay tuned.
Yeah, boy.
I hope you understand the process. Thanks for watching.